Hello. I'm going to show you today how to clean the air filter on your Frigidaire portable air conditioner. We got our unit a few months ago and it's worked well over the summer. It's been a warm summer and it's done a very good job. But we just got an indicator light on the top panel the other day saying that it's time to clean it. So here's how you do it. It's very simple. There is a panel in the back of the unit up towards the top. And as you can see, there's a little indentation here with a tab that you use to open it. You just grasp the top of the tab and push outward. And at first, it'll be a little bit tight, but it does pull out pretty quickly. You just take it out and you'll see that the filter is attached to the panel. And you can see a little bit of dust right there. So now I'm going to take it over to this table to take the filter off. And you may be able to do this just with your hands, but I found that it's easier if you first slide a thin screwdriver underneath just to lift it up a bit. And then get your finger underneath there. And you can pull at the same time you hold down the tabs at the bottom of the panel, and that will help to get it out. And then you just slide it right out. And sometimes it takes a few tries. There it goes. But it's out, and now you can see the dust better. So now it's ready to clean. I'm going to take it up and wash it in some warm soapy water, and I will show you the end result once I get that through. Okay, so now we are back. And as you can see, we've washed it under warm soapy water, rinsed it out, and shook it and dried it very gently with a towel. And as you can see, there are no more lines of dust. So it's nice and clean and ready to go back in. So now I'm going to just slide it back into the panel, same way as I took it out. And there's a little bit of tension, but it will slide right in and then click in, and then just bring it over to the unit. There are two tabs on the bottom of the panel, as you can see, little ones, and they just fit right into two slots. Push them in and then click it in at the top, the bottom, and on the sides, and you're ready to go. So I hope you found that helpful, and hope you get more good use out of your air conditioner. Thanks for joining.